Okay, here's another extremely important and powerful feature that Crispy Stix has is a mock-up generator, okay? You know, on Etsy, you're gonna want to show off your stickers, right? With beautiful mock-ups, okay? Now, before you'd have to go to different sites to do this, now everything's done in-house within Crispy Stix, okay? Here's my happy hamburger. Let me choose one of my other ones. Happy face donut as a happy face donut. Okay, and of course you can change, you can play with this, you can move it around, you can increase the size if you want, just like that. You can change the mock-up. Here I have someone holding it up here like this. I can bring it up, I can increase the size. Okay, really easy stuff. Let me go back to hamburger, my happy hamburger, since that's the example we've been using so far. Beautiful. Let's go with this hand right over here. Let's bring this up here like that. Of course, download the image. I can rotate the sticker here if I want. Let's use this one here. Beautiful stuff. Really, really amazing. I got this one here. If I want to, I can also add it to different backgrounds, like this one here with this person with this thumb ring. I can put it on smartphones if I want. Okay. Again, showing off your product to your potential buyers, to your potential customers on one of the world's biggest print on demand sites, which is Etsy. Okay. Let me show you some more of these. There's so many, like this one here. There's this refrigerator. If you want to, I don't know who's going to put a sticker on the refrigerator, but some people do, right? Like that. We got this tablet here. On suitcases, this is really popular. Stickers for suitcases. I know my wife has a suitcase just covered in stickers to all the countries she's been to. Really cool stuff. Of course, skateboards, stickers and skateboards. It's like peanut and peanut butter and jelly. Guitars, of course, stickers on guitars like that. Again, just download the image. Let me go down the list here. All kinds of cool stuff. Okay, let's go with this pink suitcase here, like that. Very easy stuff. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Self-explanatory. Just go to pick the sticker you want. It's gonna auto appear on the mockups. Download the images you want for your Etsy store. See you in the next video.